Here's problem 1 in one of our homework sets. We're looking here at standard normal distributions. Here's what a standard normal distribution looks like. It's a bell-shaped curve. It is a normal distribution after all. And it has, but it's a special one. It has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. That's what makes it a standard and then a normal distribution. So here are the questions that we're asking. The area under the standard curve to its left is 0.1, and we're looking for the z-score that would make that true. Well, the area under the whole curve is 1, and so to the left of here is going to be 0.5. Half of it is over here, and half of it is below the mean, and half of it is above the mean. So we knew that answer right immediately just from there. Now, here are some things that I want you to know. Well, let's do the next one, and then we'll come back to this. The area to its left is 0.9826. Okay, that's almost all of the area. So it's going to be way up here somewhere. Okay, because this area is supposed to be 0.9826, if you remember. Okay, 0.9826. Okay, so this area over here is supposed to be that 9.826. What we're looking for is that particular z value. That's called a quartile. We're looking for the quartile, and R happens to have that function. Let me just clean some of this other stuff out. We're looking at the quartile of a normal function, so the qnorm function is what we're looking for, and we're shoot, I forgot that that number. It's 0.9826. Let me get back to here. Okay, so 0.9826. Then we need to tell R what normal distribution we're looking at. We're looking at a mean of 0. We're looking at the standard one and a standard deviation of 1. Okay, so this number that we need there is 2.11, so on. So let me just edit that. I'll copy it, and I'll paste it into here. All right. Let's check our answer. Wahoo! Of course we're right. Okay. The area under the curve is 0.154. Let's look at our curve just real quickly. Now that will change the setting here. Let me grab another color. So now the area to the area under the curve to its right is 1.423. Okay, the area to the right is 1.423. So let's look at the picture of the curve. So up here, I'm not sure where this is going to be, but there's going to be some z value right here, so that this area to the right of that is going to be, let me slide that over so I remember the number, 0.1423. Okay, so this is 0.1423. All right, that means that the area on this other side is going to be 1 minus 0.1423. Now it's the area to the left that the quartile gives us the information for. So we needed to do that so that we could look at the quartile of, and now we need here 1 minus 0.1423. 2, 3. Now I could have done that outside of R, but might as well let R do the work there. So now there's the number that we're going to need for that particular area. Let's copy that, and we'll paste it into here, and let's check our answer. Yeah, great. We're doing good. The area under the standard normal curve to the right is some big amount now. Let's look at our curve again. That's getting close to 1. Most of it is to the right of the number that we're looking at. So let's examine our standard normal curve again. Let me grab another color so I can do all of these on the same one. So most of the area over here, this blue area, is going to be 0.9394, almost everything. So this little part back here to the left, that's what the quartile tells us. That's why we always have to change this. Will be 1 minus 9394. You see, if they already told us the area to the left, then we can just use the quartile. Otherwise, we take 1 minus that particular amount. Let's get R back here in the picture. So we can do this calculation real quickly. We need to have the Q norm, and now it will be 1 minus 0.9394 with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1 because we want the standard normal. Okay, so that amount, not surprising, is going to be over here at a negative amount because most of the area is over there. And I can just copy and paste this again. Copy that and paste it into there and check my answer. Got it right. Okay, kind of getting the idea? That Q norm tells us the quartile. It will tell us the position on the x-axis or the z-axis. If we're using a normal distribution, then we need to tell it what the mean is and what the standard deviation is. Okay, hope that helps.